Yes.
Try not to get worried, try not to turn onto problems that upset you. Everything's alright, yes, everything's fine. And we want you to sleep well tonight. Let the world turn without you tonight. If we try, we'll get by, so forget about us tonight. Everything's alright, yes, everything's fine. Everything's alright now, everything's fine. Sleep and I shall soothe you, calm you, and anoint you more for your hot forehead. Everything's alright now, everything's fine. It's cool and the ointment's sweet for the fire in your hands and feet. Close your eyes and relax. Think of nothing tonight. Close your eyes. Judas, woman, you're fine. Ointment, brand new, expensive. Should have been saved for the poor. Why has it been wasted? We could have raised maybe 300 silver shekel pieces or more. People who are hungry, people who are starving, they matter more than your feet and your head. Mary to Judas, try not to get worried, try not to turn on to problems that upset you. Don't you know everything's alright now, everything's fine. And we want you to sleep well tonight. Let the world turn without you tonight. If we try, we'll get by, so forget about us tonight. Jesus.
Surely you're not saying we have the resources to save the poor from their lots. There will always be poor, pathetically struggling. Look at the good things you've got. Think while you still have me. Move while you still see me. You'll be lost and you'll be sorry when I'm gone.
Sleep and I shall soothe you, calm you, and anoint you more on your hot forehead. And you'll feel everything's alright, yes, everything's fine. And it's cool and the ointment's sweet for the fire in your heads and feet. Close your eyes and relax. Think of nothing tonight. Surely you're not saying we have the resources to save the poor from their needs. There will be poor, always pathetically struggling. Look at the good things you got. Now think while you still have me, and move while you still see me. You'll be lost and be sorry when try not to get worried, try not to turn on to problems that upset you. Don't you know everything's alright, yes, everything's fine. And we want you to sleep well tonight. Let the world turn without you tonight. If you try, we'll get by, so forget about us.